Okay, so this is another video. I think this is the last video. I just want to show you that another way to get the CAGR. So the most the one that quite favorite is the arithmetic mean and compounded annual growth rate. The second method that I show you, and that is like 5 ways to get there. Okay, so you have 5 ways. But another thing is about the CAGR is some analysts that just use this formula. So basically they don't really put 1 plus like we are doing here, but they just directly calculate the intermediate data. So you can see there's basically they just multiply from the each intermediate data, and then they are raised to the power of the 6. So I can just change this 6 to become count to make it a bit flexible. Okay, so you can get 11.63. Another way to get this, I will use sum product. So I will put the formula here so you can see what formula that I use. Okay, wrap text, and I just move here. So this is the first method, and then you have the second method, and you have the third method. Okay, so ways method, ways to calculate. Okay, put bold, and this one I'll put red, bold it, and put in the mid. So I use basically you just use products, sum product, not sum product, product, and then you just block this, and then raise to the power of the item, the intermediate data. Yes, that's the same. I'm supposed to be here. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing here. Sorry for that. Come on. And then I just so you can see that the same result. So we have so you can just multiply its intermediate data. You can use a product formula in the Excel. Another way is you use the geomean. So basically just copy the formula. Use a geomean. So it's a geomean of this all these cells. Okay, right. And then the other you can also use the okay, I have to touch a bit why I need this. Basically, to use if there is less than 3 times from the minimum and maximum, so geometric mean is not suggested to use if the data is too narrow, less max divided by min is less than 3, or the data is skewed to the left, Okay, so you have to remember that. I will check whether the data is skewed to the left. Okay, I just use the year first. Set row 11. Okay, I check whether it's a skew to the left. But basically, we already check that this is like a more than 3 times. So geometric mean, basically, you can use that. But we can check also another. So it's a row 11. Okay, just copy it down. I think until 2008, and then this is the growth rate. Okay, so this is the growth rate. Okay, so just block it, and we can see. I don't know, just a chat type. So it's quite. I think that's in the middle. Is that right? I think it's 12.39. So it's around these numbers, the average. Okay, and I can see that. Okay, so we move to. So this is the fourth method. The fourth method, you use a regression. It's not really difficult. You just have to check the slope first. Can type like a insert formula. Sorry, I just delete that first so you can follow me. Okay, just use. Sorry. Okay, so basically I have to use slope. And then I just block the revenue first, and then this is the Y, and this is the X, the year. Okay, and then you just average this, divided by average revenue. So you got 11.70%. I think yes, that pretty much all the method that we can use in calculating the arithmetic mean and CAGR. So normally I will use the second method, but hopefully you can understand there will be a third method and the fourth method to calculate. So you okay, that's all. I think we move to the fifth video. I have to explain a bit about the arithmetic mean. Okay,